welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Destiny Joy. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that like button if you would want to. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to be doing this style. You should see where my hair was at before, girl. Oh my God. It took a while. I say in total this hairstyle took me, it would take me faster if I wasn't recording, but probably like an hour. I sped through some clips so you guys could not have to watch the whole thing and get the gist of it if you guys were trying to do this hairstyle. I tried to match my edges, but it didn't go too well, but it doesn't matter because I'm really about to go to sleep. But yeah, I love this hairstyle. It's one of my go-tos, even though I haven't done it in a while. I am about to show you guys how to get it. Look how flat it is. The part might not be in the middle, but girl, it's giving flat, it's giving cute. The bundles look just like this if you wanted to go get it. Shake and Go 18-inch color 1B. So yes, if you guys want to know how to do this hairstyle, then keep watching. So I got out the shower about an hour and a half ago and I just let my hair air dry. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it, and I am going to use this spray throughout the video. If you guys watched my last video, you will know this spray and you will know that I love this spray. So yeah, check it out. But what you're gonna need for this hairstyle is a bundle. I'm using this one. I actually got two and I got these from the beauty supply. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out because I've never used this hair before and it looks kind of like, I don't know, but I'm sure it'll be fine. You're gonna need some glue, some styling wrap for this hairstyle. Okay, so I'm just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through me blow drying my hair because, you know, that's regular, girl, that's regular. Let's get straight to it. Done blow drying my hair. Usually when I let it air dry, I could blow dry my hair like 5 minutes. But when I don't have time, I automatically towel dry it and then give it a little bit, and then I go ahead and blow dry it. And that takes a little bit longer for me to blow dry my hair. Now I am plugging in my straightener. And you don't really have to do this step, it's up to you. I just like my ponytails to be really like silky and flat, so I go ahead and press my hair out a little bit. Only the roots, because this is gonna get braided. The ends are gonna get braided and you won't be able to see it anyways, so that's why I only do the roots to give it a flat look. This is the straightener I use. Like I said, I showed you guys this in my last video. This is the Nano Titanium one, I think. I don't really remember what this was called. So I think this is as straight as I'm going to get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my flat iron and press it out. So I'm actually gonna take it section by section and get the roots, just so I can make sure it's flat. Like, I hate when my ponytail doesn't lay flat. straighten your whole head. So my hair is where it is acceptable for me. Real quick, I forgot to mention that I use Got To Be glue hairspray sometimes, and I also use the instant edge control. I love this edge control. This instant edge control to actually mold my hair. That's what I forgot to tell you guys. I'm gonna start with is molding the back and making sure the back is flat and sectioning it off, and then working my way up to the front. This is what the edge control looks like. You could tell I've been using it. I'm gonna go ahead and start laying the back down. I go like this because I have my nails and I don't want it to get under my nails. I basically just lay this edge control on each part, like right on the part where I part it, and just laying it flat. Taking section by section and making sure the layer is flat as possible. I'm gonna leave a good amount of baby hairs out. Let me tell you one thing. This ponytail is gonna be slayed. Like, look at that edge. It's the edge control, really. Like, it's not even in a ponytail or nothing. It's just laying flat. Y'all see how good the edge control is though? Like, it's not even in the ponytail yet. Like, go get you the instant edge control, girl. Let me show you it one more time. And it smells good, so. That is laid. I'm not gonna put it in the ponytail right now, but I will in a minute. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing I did to this side to the other side. I'm actually gonna put this in another rubber band. So the back is already in a rubber band. So I'm gonna do the edges in another rubber band, and it's gonna lay perfectly. So this is what it's looking like so far. Very flat. Should be flat back here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a braid. This is the step where we're gonna need our styling wrap, and we're also gonna need our glue. I know everyone does this part a little bit differently, but for me, I like to attach the glue to the ponytail, the actual rubber band, not my hair or anything like that. So that's what I like to do, and I always do it from top to bottom when I'm wrapping. So this is what this glue looks like. I'm sure you guys seen it before. This is how you close it. This is how you open it. And we're gonna use this to attach this to the ponytail, and we're also gonna use it to attach the bundle to the wrap. Wraps look like this. They're actually really stretchy if you haven't seen these before. I usually like to attach it to this, just like this. This is what it should look like. Just a little bit of glue. Fill for the ponytail. You see it's right here, so I place it right there. I hold it for a little bit just to make sure it's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and start the wrapping process. So I wasn't recording, but I finished wrapping this. I just wrapped it around and glued. Basically the same thing that you guys saw the first time. We are gonna go ahead and get into the bundle. Usually I do straight. I'm not sure why I went with like wavy, but I think it adds a little something to it. So this is what it looks like. This is actually very long, so one bundle might be enough for me. We'll see, but look how cute. I like it. I like this curl pattern. I personally like to put the glue on here. It actually takes a little bit longer this way, I feel. I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue right on the weft part. I'm gonna start from bottom to top. I put about this much glue, and I'm gonna take it on the bottom. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. And when the edges are done, I know I look crazy right now, but bro, when the edges are done, more glue. So I'm gonna put it like right there. Yeah, this, I never had glue come out this fast. Maybe I should have closed it a little more then. And this isn't on my hair. This is right on top of the other weft, by the way. This is what it looks like so far. And you see how you can see the weft? You guys probably can't see it, but the weft is still right here. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece of the hair from the bottom. It's gonna be a pretty good chunk. This is cool. So I'm just gonna brush this piece out. I'm actually gonna spray it with my Got2b first. Wrapping it around.
Like me.
So I might have to get a bobby pin for this. I don't have one right now, but it feels kind of loose right here, like the thing I wrapped around. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Now the edges. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with the edges.
Like me.
So I shouldn't even be doing my edges right now because I'm getting ready to go to bed. So this is the final look. I think this is so cute. And it looks like I just got my hair done with someone that don't know how to do edges, but it is so cute. I love it. I love the little curls. I feel like it adds something different than if it was just straight. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 200. I know that's not a lot, but it's a lot for me. So if you guys could go ahead and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it.